from birth to your home. Do you remember when you first... Hello? Do you ever wonder what life it was like for you?
Remember, out loud with your mouth.
Do you remember your first hello to your kitten? Do you ever wonder what life it was for your kitten before you held her in your arms? Let's enter the world of a kitten and share the journey she makes from birth to her new home. Week 1, the birth. When Mom isn't around, our little girl keeps warm by forming a huddle with her brothers and sisters. Our little girl crawls around, trying to find one of Mom's teeth. Like all newborn kittens, she cannot see or hear. After several days of sniffing and jostling, she fixes on a favorite teeth. It's amazing how the kittens manage to arrange themselves in a neat sack at the milk bar. In addition to feeding, Mom cleans the kittens, licking off any messes that they make. She grows quickly. By the end of the first week, she's doubled her weight to 8 ounces. She crawls around, exploring the nest and playing with her brothers and sisters. Week 3, her steps. Our kitten's eyes are fully open now. Like newborn kittens, she has blue eyes which start changing color from week 4 onward. Her ears begin to stand up her head, so she can hear more clearly. She takes her first curious steps. It's wobbly work trying to manage 4 legs while balancing a large head. By the end of week 3, she's strong enough to take proper strides. Week 4, getting around. I stroke and cuddle the kittens from day 1 and even kiss their bellies. I study in the University College of Veterinary Medicine Animal Health newsletter has shown that kittens handled between the ages of 2 and 7 weeks develop faster and are more playful, confident, and social with their human parents. Our little girl is learning how far she can go with the other kit. And who's in charge? I catch her play-fighting with her brother. She tries to pounce on him, but he gives her a look and glances away, held high. Now they're starting to roam. I move the kittens into the living room so they get used to a life in a home with everyday noises such as the TV and vacuum cleaner, and this will help them settle easily when they get to their new homes.
Wow. Do you like cats, Ema?
Oh, yes, I do.
What about kittens?
Yeah, those are my favorite kinds.
Do you like reading?
Oh, sorta.
Sort of. What are you thinking? What's your favorite thing about reading?
My favorite thing about reading is that books could take you everywhere. Like into a kitten world, or a dog world, or a rabbit world, or maybe even a chicken world.
Well, thank you very much, Ema.